Hi everyone, today we have a transitional summer to fall styling video. I wanted to share some useful tips on how to shop your two seasons together and then also show you some inspirational looks for casual and workwear ideas. I love this type of season because you're kind of like squeezing in the last bits of summer and then also like getting excited for some of your fall pieces. So speaking of new fall pieces, I've got some amazing items today from today's sponsor, Love Bonito. If you guys are new to this channel, Love Bonito is a Singaporean brand. It is one of my favorite petite friendly brands, and not only in terms of the tailoring and the sizing, but the style. It really resonates with my personal style, 3-word profile, which is sleek, sophisticated, elevated workwear. I have so many staple pieces like the ones that I'm wearing right now that I just continuously wear year after year. And I got the amazing chance to actually fly to Singapore and meet the entire team. The focus on the design, innovation, like the bra cups, the tailoring. I just absolutely love not only the polished aesthetic, but also the attention to the details, and they're like constantly innovating and getting customer feedback to make things better and better. So a huge fan. I've got some amazing things to show you guys today. Thank you so much to Love Bonito for sponsoring today's video. And as always, all of my personal items and our new pieces will be mentioned down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and let's get started. So before we dive into the outfits, I actually want to give a few style tips for anyone that just wants to shop from their closet at home. So whenever we're thinking about transitional styling between any different seasons, there's 3 things I like to think about. The first is the actual items. Think about things that already bridge the 2 seasons together. So between summer and fall, I like to look at pieces that are like this, where it's the cut of a tank top, which is summer, but is made out of a thick sweater net material, which is more fall. Or maybe you have a longer full coverage shirt, but it's made out of like a lighter summery material, right? So intermixing like the silhouettes with the knits, so you have something that's like a nice hybrid. Second idea is to think about mixing the different seasonal weights in between the tops and the bottoms. So that's like pairing a chunky sweater with a cute little mini skirt, or like a flowy slip dress skirt, or flipping it where you're wearing thicker trousers with a summery top. And then the third idea in terms of transitional outfits is to think about color palettes. So you can have your deep, rich autumnal type of colors, but you're still mixing it with like crisp whites that are reminiscent of the summertime. Whatever you like to do, I just like to think about the silhouettes and the type of products. Hopefully that can give you a nice baseline regardless of these items or what you want to just work with at home. All right, so let's move into the lookbook. The first 2 pieces that are the Love Bonito boxy denim top with the matching denim midi skirt. Not only is this so on trend right now, but I absolutely love the details of these beautiful golden buttons. It gives that like rich old money look, but it's displayed on this beautiful dark rich denim rinse, which is obviously so on trend right now. For all time, dark denim is so perfect for the fall season. I feel like even though this is denim, you can definitely wear this to the office. It looks so sophisticated. And back to the details for petite sizing, I absolutely love that this one has an elasticized back that's very subtle. It gives you some wiggle room in terms of comfort, but it still has this perfect hourglass shape for my petite bodies. So obviously paired together, it's a perfect power suit, but you can wear these separately. So in the earlier fall season, you can pair this thicker denim midi skirt with a cute tank top. As it gets colder, this will look amazing with a thicker sweater. And then this top by itself can be as a cute outer when it's still hot, you know, draped over a cute little summer outfit, or you could pair it with thicker trousers for the fall season. As you see on screen, back to my earlier example about the knitted tank top. This one is from Love Bonito. This is the knitted off-shoulder tank. I think this is such an elegant cut. It's like nice and soft in the curvature of the neckline. You also have some really nice subtle seam work here, so it looks like almost like a corset. But this is what I really love about the Love Bonito brand. It's very much my style. I love being sexy, but there's still like an elegance or sophistication to it. Look how nice that rich navy knit matches so well with your dark rinse denim. It gives it a monotone look, look, but it doesn't look so denim on denim. It's a nice harmony between materials. Moving on to our next set. I'm realizing now I order things in like matching sets. I think that they're so versatile. This is actually a non-matching set, but it can be. This is the Ivy satin button-down shirt, and this is the new Una leggy super high-waist trouser pants. This is like such an amazing two-piece set for your workwear. Obviously, the olive colors are perfect for fall, but I really love this one because this is extra thick. It would glide so perfectly into like the colder temperatures. It's not see-through. It has a nice like matte satin sheen. Gives it more of a luxurious touch. I absolutely love this paired with the high-waisted Una trousers. It makes your legs look super long, especially if you're petite. And I like that the olive is not completely the exact same hue. There's a little bit of contrast that looks awesome together for a slight monochromatic look, but you could pair these separately. So for a transitional outfit, I would pair this elegant button down with like a cute little mini skirt or a mini skirt, or instead of wearing it with dark denim, which you will be doing in the fall to winter, I think this will look so fresh with a pair of your white jeans or your light rinsed jeans from the summertime to kind of give it like a fresher touch. And then with the pants, I think this will look so cute with a cute like summer crop top to really have that nice feminine elegance, but with pants. Oh, and in the summertime, you could also wear this as like an overshirt, like a nice light topper. Okay, moving on to the next two pieces. This is also all-time fave. This is one of their new products that is like such a hot seller. This is the Rachel Roush Ready blazer. Talk about innovation. This blazer is not only so beautifully tailored for my petites out there, but there is a hidden elasticized cuff on the inside. Massive style tip is to always ruche or bunch up your sleeves so you could show off the delicateness of your wrist and give a better proportion and a more stylized fit to any blazer. But you know, you see those hacks where we had to put like a hair tie and have it cinched. Like, they solved it. They have this beautiful hidden seamless feature for the Rachel Roush Ready. And so to see that she created not only her power blazer that's fit so gorgeously with these nice strong shoulder pads, but thinking about just the unique touches to make our styling so easy, I absolutely love. This one is in the clay color. It's this beautiful heathered material. So it's a little bit of like a linen-y summer look, but also nice rich fall neutrals. I'm pairing that with the Amon column midi skirt. This is a beautifully tailored skirt that looks so gorgeous paired with the matching blazer. I love this power suit together because it really does feel feminine compared to a lot of my masculine pure black suit sets, but it also matches with so much and it gives it a lot of texture if you're pairing it with just simple neutrals. For example, I'm pairing it with the Natalia padded scoop neck fitted top. This is a basic cream tank top that's a perfect base underneath. This is obviously like the first way to style it as a complete suit set, but really quick, one of my favorite things from Bonito is their padded tops. Like, they have beautifully extra thick sewn in bra pads. So for someone like me that loves like going braless and just being comfortable, I love the fact that this has complete nipple modesty. Like, it makes your boobs look so good and smooth. It gives so much good structure to the breast area. It has complete nipple coverage for modesty, and it just allows you to be so comfortable and free and not have a restricting bra with a fitted top. Their material is double lined and super thick. So especially for the office when you want to look really professional, these are an amazing basics. However, other ways to style these for the transition, I really love this skirt because it's lightweight compared to the thicker denim column skirt. Similar to the styling, whenever it's earlier in the fall, you can wear this with a cute summer top, or you can wear it with a nice woolly sweater as it gets closer to the fall season. Because it has a nice nip in the waist, you can still get a lot of that statuesque hourglass shape. And of course, you guys know how much I love blazers. This one, obviously, you can throw it over a cute little all black mini skirt number, or just wear this almost like as a coat, as like the perfect outer piece that looks so polished. I mean, I would straight up wear these with shorts, okay? With some cute sandals. It's like a pop-in outfit that would look really chic for like a cocktail hour with your girlfriends. And final category is go to little black classics. I've got two new pieces. This is the Nicole padded cutout midi dress. And this is their Kiana leggy flared jumpsuit, pantsuit. Both of these have such an incredible way to highlight my waist and give me like that nice hourglass shape. The dress is amazing again with these embedded padded cups. It gives me full coverage here on the chest. It gives me some beautiful shape. You have this really sexy detail to show off a sliver of skin to break things up, and it's also very on trend. With the cutouts, the actual construction of this dress is so like structured and sucked in. I feel very secure, and again, everything is like double lined, extra thick, feels very premium. And then this leggy jumpsuit is so sexy. That plunge is so elegant for someone like me that has a short neck and like a big old head. I really like to elongate this right here, so I love the focal point that it makes. I also love the beautiful cross straps in the back. It really has like a stunning out trench when you're walking. And then of course the Empire high waist with the long flared shape gives you a lot of movement. This one I would say is great for the earlier fall season because it is flowy, it's drapey, it's a one and done statement stunner. And both of these pieces also mix really well as a transitional outfit with the blazer that I showed you earlier. One thing I really like about go-to black pieces like this, it's like if you've got an event or you just want to look super powerful and not have any mental load, these pieces are going to make you look like $1,000,000 without really trying. All right, you guys, so that does it for today's lookbook. I hope you got some just basic good style tips along with some inspiration for your casual or your workwear. Again, everything mentioned in today's video is down below in the description box for you, along with sizing and my personal notes. Huge thank you to Love Bonito for sponsoring today's video. I'll also be mentioning more about them in my Ultimate Petite shopping brand video that's coming up in September. Y'all, I'm spilling all the tea on like all of my secrets of where I shop for Petite. So I hope you guys are excited about that one coming up, but back in the groove again, and I've got so much good content for you guys. But feel free to leave any ideas on how I can better serve you down below in the comments. And for all of my OG people that make it to the end of the video, give your girl a white heart down below. I love you guys so much, and if you guys haven't, be sure to like and subscribe if you like this content. You guys have an amazing day out there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!